All right. So I am trying to generate a geomap using Plotly, and this is the code that I'm using for that. But this is giving me key error one. And if I run it multiple times, because I am taking a sample from this data set, so if I run it multiple times, I'll get different records every time I run it. And this key error also changes. Sometime it will say key error one, sometime it will say key error four or five or whatever. So why is this happening and how did I resolve it? Apparently, this is happening because there is no index one in my data frame, which is this data frame. Uh, so there's no index one apparently, that's the reason. But how I solved this is by doing this. So merge county one is the data frame or geo data frame that I want to use to load this map. So I converted, first I only took all the columns that are required for my map, and then I converted all of their data type to string except geometry. So except for geometry, otherwise I converted all other columns data type to string. And then I ran it, and it apparently worked fine, but I have to change here my this thing to temp 3 dot, let's say, center. And this started working fine. So this is how you can try resolving this issue. It will show the float in some time. So here you go. I'm just taking 10 samples and it is working perfectly fine. There are 3 different categories. So this is what I did, and you can try doing the same if you're getting key error 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or X. Convert all the data types to string except for geometry, and you're good to go. All right, see you then.